Hey everybody, today I'm going to be tying a bloodworm pattern using Togens Ultra Stretch. This is Deep Spice. I'm using a Togens size 16 curved nymph and also a 5/64 matte black bead. So first thing I'm going to tie in is just red thread. This is a pretty quick and easy tie because bloodworms don't have a taper to them, so you don't have to spend time making a nice, beautiful taper. Alright, so I'm going to take a little bit of red MARABOU just to get a little tail on this fly. I'm going to kind of measure it out here. A nice little tail on it, and tie it down the whole body so you get that nice consistent thickness. I'm going to tie it into just past the barb. Work my way back up. Trim out the excess. Next thing, just some small red wire. Wrap that about halfway down. Come back up. And grab a strand of Ultra Stretch. Tie that in. This can be really tricky to catch, so just take your time. So you really secure that in, 2 or 3 wraps, and then you can really just tug on it. Keep that profile nice and slim. And then you'll catch up with your wire, grab that in your hand while still pulling on the Ultra Stretch, and tie it all the way back to the MARABOU. And back up. And then I will go in with a whip finish. Get my bobbin out of the way. I'm going to wrap this Ultra Stretch now. I like to really pull on it to get a nice slim body. And I'm also counter wrapping, so I'm wrapping this the opposite way that I'm going to be wrapping my wire. Just makes it a tad more durable. Nice touching wraps. Oops. Tie that off. Couple wraps behind, couple wraps in front. Really lock it off, because when you trim it out, you want to give it a nice pull and then trim so that excess just kind of sucks under those thread wraps. Now it's going to be another whip finish, and we'll wrap the wire for the segments. there's no certain amount of wraps you need. Just keep the wraps nice and uniform if you can. And tie that wire off. Just helicopter it out. Final whip finish. Trim out that thread, and that's all there is to this simple bloodworm pattern using Ultra Stretch from Togens in Deep Spice. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.